Hello. This video shows how to fix a common bug in Unreal Engine 5.6. It happens in the third-person template. When you run the game as a listen server, the mouse stops working. Your character can move and jump, but the camera does not rotate. Let's see why this happens and how to fix it. Here is the default third-person template with no changes yet. When you run it as a listen server with 2 players, the character moves with WASD. Jump works too, but the mouse does nothing. In the output log, there is an error. It says, Blueprint Runtime Error. Access none trying to read local player subsystem. In standalone mode, the mouse works fine, but not in listen server. Why does this happen? In the default blueprint, the input mapping context is added in the possessed event. On a listen server, possessed runs on the server first. The server has no local player subsystem. On the client, the pawn might run possessed too early. The player controller is not ready yet. The enhanced input system fails to connect, so the mouse input does not work. Here is how to fix it. Open your third-person character blueprint. Find where Add Mapping Context is used. Remove it from Possessed. Add it in the event called Receive Controller Changed. Wrap it with Is Locally Controlled. This makes sure it runs only for the local player. Now the mouse works in listen server mode. The camera can move again. This fix works in Unreal Engine 5.6. It works for standalone and dedicated too. You can find the link to the GitHub demo in the description. If you want to see more, check out our other projects on this channel. We share fixes, tech breakdowns, and demos from our studio. Feel free to subscribe and stay updated. Thank you for watching. Shared by SilverCord-VR.